Brooklyn, you are a very special part of our family, and we love having you. You just put a smile on Dustin's face, and you are the best thing for him.
Dustin has truly been her knight in shining armor. I've always prayed, wished, and hoped that she would find someone to spend her life with that I actually wanted to be around. I'm so glad that he is joining our crazy family. He is an amazing uncle to our children, a fantastic brother, not only to his real sister, but to me, and I know he will make an amazing husband. So, Brooklyn has been my best friend for my entire life. She has stood by my side through some of the toughest, stupidest decisions I've made, and also some of my better ones. She's an amazing auntie to all her nephews and her one sassy little niece. She's always there to cry on, rant to, or laugh with. She will tell me to smarten up when I need it, and that's the best quality to have in a friend.
Your main building blocks have been the way Mom's 2/3 of it, the way you are. You've turned into, like your sister. You're gonna be an excellent mom. I can't wait for those days. They're coming.
Marriage is the most amazing gift. Cherish it and love each other always. Never go to sleep without saying I love you. Let your love for each other be as strong in 50 years as it is today. Mom would have just glowed this entire day in happiness. I can just picture it. She's watching from above with all the other loved ones we have lost, like they're watching the riders smoke the bombers. Grandpa would be sitting beside her saying, well, holy moly.
Dustin asked me to go to Yorkton and have a beer with him and meet this girl, and he told me it was Brooklyn, and I started laughing because I had already known her. However, enter Brooklyn to the scene. We went to Pockets, and I would like to think that my separate conversations with them that evening maybe had something to do with the union. However, I know that a match this perfect is fate or whatever along those lines.
I was made for you, darling, and you were made for me. I'm tied up, I'm tethered to, I'm fall down, drunk in love with you. I'm tied up, I'm tethered to, I'm fall down, drunk in love with you.
Those of you from the community know if there's this nice winter evening or an afternoon, there's anywhere from 5 to 25 snowmobiles in front of our yard, and the neighbors know that because they can't get down our street. And this little silver Tiburon comes pulling up in front. out hops this young lady with a smile that lit up the street. And Dustin starts walking over towards it, and one of my good friends comes waltzing right up to me. He says, "Who's that?" And I said, I don't know. And he looks at me, serious as a poker face. "How long's this been going on?" I said again, "I really don't know." But Brooklyn came into the house, and Dustin introduced her, and she made herself just at home.
This fall, I was drawn for antlerless moose here, and I was kind of wondering, my partner spent more time on the phone buying an engagement ring and dealing with sizing than he did hunting, and I figured this has to be some kind of gal to ruin a moose hunt for him. That's something.
I'm tethered to, I'm fall down, drunk in love with you. I'm tied up, I'm tethered to, I'm fall down, drunk in love with you. Baby, I'm tied up, I'm tethered to, I'm fall down, drunk in love with you. Swaying back and forth.
Brooklyn and Dustin, you two are top-notch godparents to my and Jenny's daughter, Willow. You are the highest caliber friends we could ask for.
I'm going to wrap this up by thanking Brooklyn for being everything I could ever hope for in a sister. I wish you nothing but the best in the future with Dustin. Please let him win some of the arguments, and Dustin, please don't let her yell at you.
Brooklyn's been part of our family for 5 years now, I think it must be. We consider her part of the family from that day. Whether it was fishing or hunting, snowmobiling, golfing, even the odd crokinole game got pretty heated on our kitchen table a few nights. We thought a couple of Dustin and Brooklyn's good friends maybe we're going to need to ride home in different vehicles because things got pretty heated. But we found out very soon that Brooklyn had a great sense of humor and a great lady.
We know full well that it would be awesome. Mom was here with us, but it's the way it goes. And everything that I say would be like Mom was talking.
Tonight, it's a Friday night, it's a small town girl, everything is right, and we rule the world 212.